Hi guys, this is my 1972 Snapper Pushmore. Finally got her running today. She's a bit temperamental, but she is, 72? Let's see, that is 47 years old. She's a bit temperamental to start, but once you get started and warmed up, she's good. She doesn't smoke. I haven't checked the compression yet. She's probably got low compression. Had to replace the diaphragm. Get a air filter in the cover. Had to clean out that gas tank. That thing was rusted like you wouldn't believe on the inside, and got it cleaned out. Took the carburetor apart and cleaned it up good. Changed the oil. My backyard is very sandy, so I mowed the backyard and sandblasted the deck, under the deck, by mowing. She needs some work. Still, she needs some painting and cleaning up, but it's just a project for me. Get a different view here. Yep, I'm not sure what that deck is made out of. I don't know if it's cast, magnesium, aluminum, or steel. But show you this tag that's on it. Oh, there it is. I think it's pretty cool. Once I get it cleaned up, I'll give you updates. Y'all have a good one.